Hey everyone, welcome back to Offensive Wireless. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the top 5 radio hacking tools for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, these tools will help you get a solid foundation in radio hacking. Let's get started. First up, we have the RTL SDR, a versatile and powerful tool for anyone interested in radio frequencies. These little dongles are crazy popular and for good reason. They offer a wide range of capabilities that make them indispensable for both beginners and experts. They're an affordable way to open up a whole world of RF signals around you, from aircraft communications to weather satellites. You don't need a degree in electrical engineering to get up and running. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. Tons of free software is available and setting it up is straightforward. You can start exploring the radio spectrum in no time. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into this hobby without breaking the bank. The initial investment is minimal, but the potential for discovery is huge. The community support for RTL SDR is massive, with countless tutorials and forums. You'll never feel lost with so many resources at your fingertips. So, if you're just starting out in radio hacking, grab an RTL SDR. It's the perfect entry point into a fascinating world. You might be surprised at what you discover. From hidden signals to unexpected transmissions, the RTL SDR opens up endless possibilities. Next, we have the HackRF1, a versatile and powerful tool for any aspiring hacker. This tool can both transmit and receive signals, opening up a world of possibilities for experimentation and learning. You can experiment with GSM signals, GPS spoofing, and even dive into the intricacies of satellite communications. Additionally, you can create and test custom wireless communication protocols, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The HackRF1 has a steeper learning curve, but is incredibly well documented, making it accessible for those willing to put in the effort. There's a ton of information available online, from official documentation to community forums, ensuring you have the resources you need. It's a device that lets you unleash your inner hacker and explore the full potential of software-defined radio, offering endless opportunities for innovation. The HackRF1 benefits from a vibrant and active community where enthusiasts and experts alike share their knowledge and experiences. If you ever get stuck, you'll find plenty of people willing to help, making your journey with the HackRF1 both exciting and supported. Now let's talk about GNU Radio. This software toolkit lets you design, build, and experiment with software radios. It's more complex than the previous tools involving signal processing and flow graphs, but the power and flexibility that GNU Radio offers are unmatched. You can create custom signal processing blocks and experiment with different algorithms, analyze signals in real time, and develop your own modulation schemes. GNU Radio is open source and free to use. You have access to a massive library of pre-built blocks and a thriving community. It's a playground for radio enthusiasts and researchers. Let's switch gears and talk about AirCrack-Ing, a powerful tool in the realm of Wi-Fi security. Wi-Fi is a specific type of radio communication, and AirCrack-Ing is the ultimate toolkit for understanding and testing Wi-Fi security. It allows you to dive deep into the intricacies of wireless networks. This tool is invaluable for learning, research, and ensuring your networks are secure. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, AirCrack-Ing has something to offer. AirCrack-Ing can monitor Wi-Fi traffic, capture packets, and analyze network configurations. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools to understand the flow of data in your network. It's been around for a long time, so there's a wealth of information available online. From forums to detailed documentation, the community support is robust. You'll find tutorials, guides, and courses dedicated to using AirCrack-Ing effectively. These resources can help you master the tool and apply it to real-world scenarios. It's command line based, giving you a lot of flexibility and control. This might seem daunting at first, but it allows for precise and powerful operations. Once you start using it, you'll realize it's not as complicated as it looks. With practice, you'll become proficient and confident in using AirCrack-Ing. It's a powerful suite of tools for Wi-Fi security, making it an essential part of your cybersecurity toolkit. Embrace the learning curve and unlock the potential of AirCrack-Ing. Finally, let's talk about SDR Hash, also known as SDR Sharp. This software is designed for use with SDRs and is well suited for beginners. SDR Hash is a Windows-based application with a clean, intuitive interface. It can handle a wide range of tasks and has a robust plugin ecosystem. You can find plugins for decoding signals, analyzing audio, and recording data. SDR Hash is like a Swiss Army knife for SDR. It's completely free and open source. Download it and start using it with your RTL SDR or other compatible SDR hardware. It's a fantastic tool that bridges ease of use and advanced functionality. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 radio hacking tools for beginners. Each tool offers something unique, so try them out and see which ones work best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Offensive Wireless for more awesome content on radio hacking and security training. Thanks for watching.